If you want to get an iPhone ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store. Then over here we're gonna use the search button at the bottom of the screen. Now over here we're gonna use the search field at the top, and you can search for the iPhone ringtone. We can just simply type this phrase in here, and you should be able to find many example apps that you can, in theory, use to try to get the iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here, but I encourage you to try anything else in case you don't like this app or if you feel like it doesn't work properly. So once you get the app, of course, we need to open it. Let's tap on consent. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime. We need to grant some permissions for the app to make sure that the app can actually change the ringtone for us. Over here we have a list of different ringtones, so you can try to find your favorite ringtone. And then once you find the iPhone ringtone that you wish to use, we're gonna tap on these three dots on the right side, and then you can tap on the ringtone option in here. Once again, we have an ad, but then you should see that you have set the ringtone successfully. Of course, we're gonna check if that is really the case. So let's go to settings, open sounds and vibration, and here we can go to the ringtone. Usually if it says like a custom name in here, like in my case it says Apple Ring, then I can pretty much immediately tell that it has been changed. It is also selected on this list, but of course we should also be able to adjust the volume in order to hear it. So yeah, and in case it didn't change, usually you can use this plus in the upper right corner, and you should be able to find the sound in here in the sound picker. So then you can select it and add it into the list. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.